शुद्धि कर दे, सारा जीवन रोग मुक्त कर दे, मानव को अनुशासन सिखा।
We are very happy that the 67 National School Games this year of 2023-24 is being held in Tripura, and from our Youth and Sports Department, they are being the host. And regarding this yoga, already our Honorable Minister have spoken a lot, and our respected the Secretary of Youth and Sports, he also said so many things. I would like to say some few points that we all know that our Honorable Prime Minister, when he appealed to all the General Assembly that this yoga should be carried out by all the people, then recognizing this universal appeal on 11th December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed on 21st June as the International Day of Yoga. We everybody know it, and we celebrate on 21st June as the International Day of Yoga. Yoga in Bengali we say yoga. That means without yoga a person cannot be a complete person. We have body, we have mind, we have intellect, we have soul. So this yoga unites all. That is called yoga. Who am I? Who are you? You can recognize by doing yoga only. This is not merely an exercise. You have to recognize yourself. We always know underneath the lightning candle there is dark. But that candle gives light to the other areas. So until and unless we recognize ourselves, we cannot give our best